Hello everyone, in this quick Photoshop tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove blemishes, face scars and acne. Now, first let's edit this photo. Now, for these face scars and blemishes, we'll use the spot healing brush tool. Now you select it, then lower the hardness and adjust the sizes you want. Now, all you need to do, let's remove this here. All you need to do is click on it and release. As you can see, the blemish is gone. Just click on them and you will remove them. Now for this face scar here, just make like this and it disappears. As you can see, the healing brush tool is a very powerful tool. Just click on them and they will be gone. Now on this photo, here just paint over it, release it and it's gone. But now if you have hard skin like this one here, as you can see, if you paint over it and release, it did not remove it good, as you can see here. So for this one we'll use the patch tool. Now the patch tool works. You need to select it, just hold the mouse button, make a selection of it, and now just click on the selection and drag where you want to sample from. Let's say we sample from here, and now as you can see, it looks way better than the healing brush tool. So the healing brush tool, you will use it for tiny spots like this one, and if you want to do something more, just use the patch tool. Just select and drag wherever you want to sample from. So this is the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop and Lightroom tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.